Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the case and both earbuds are charged to at least half. Low power prevents pairing. Once done, turn on Bluetooth on your phone and close other active Bluetooth connections to avoid conflicts. When you open the WF C700 case, the earbuds should power on and enter pairing mode automatically. This broadcasts the device name. Now go to your phone's Bluetooth list, so you're ready to select the WF C700 as soon as it appears. Next, you look for the WF C700 entry in your phone's Bluetooth menu and tap it to initiate the connection. You may see a prompt to confirm pairing or accept a passkey. Accept it so the two devices can exchange keys and build a trusted link. Once paired, open the Sony Headphones Connect app to finish configuration and check for firmware updates. This ensures stable Bluetooth performance and gives access to EQ and controls. If connection completes, you'll hear a confirmation tone. Finish by testing sound and the microphone. Play audio and try calls to confirm left and right channels and mic behavior. Then make any control or equalizer adjustments in the Sony app so the earbuds behave how you expect. If the WF C700 won't appear or connect, reset them. Place earbuds in case, then follow the long press reset procedure. Hold touch panels about 10 seconds, and forget the device on your phone before repairing. That clears stale pairings and usually fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.